Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills, and I am your friend Omkar, and today I am going to show you one attractive percentage infographic which look like this. So I have one example for you also to show you this. So this is a infographic which I am going to teach you, and this is the example. So here is the expenditure and savings of Mr. X. So this is out of the expenditure and savings of his income. So he spends 45% on his food, 20% on entertainment, 10% savings, and 25% rent. So you can use this infographic to show in your business presentation also, and in other purposes also. So today I am going to show you how to make this. So let's start. So now let us see how to make this infographic. So first I will remove this table. I will delete that. Now I will include a circle first. Go in format tab. In height I will make to 7.5 and width also same 7.5. Now we will go in home tab again, change its color to white. Now in shape outline we will give black. In shape effect, in shadow select the first one. Again in shape effect, reveal fourth one. Okay, now we will include one arc. So you can find this arc shape in the basic shape over here. We'll go to format tab, make its height and width to 6 centimeter. Again I will go in home tab. Now let's give this infographic color yellow. So I will give the shape outline color yellow. Again go in shape outline, in width I will go in more lines and make the width to 15. Now we will again select this circle. We will again go in format tab and make the height to 6 centimeter and width to 6 centimeter. Shape fill we will say no fill. In shape outline we will give it gray color. Again we will go in width, more lines, and we will go in 15 pt. We will change its width to 15. Now select it over here, send to, bring this to first front. Okay, it is now perfect. Now this value is 25%, so I will include a text tool and make it align middle, make its size to 54. Okay, now I will write 25%. Adjust it by making it bigger. Select this, go in alphabet color and select the yellow color, and done. Now we will select this all, press Ctrl plus G to. In shape effect we will go in shadow and select this. In perspective select the last one. You can also change that according to your need. Okay, and then if you want you can change the gradient field of background color. select the gray one and done. And the next thing, if you want to write what is that, you can add your text tool, then you can write anything. I am writing title here. Okay, then you can select, you can make font greater, align it in between. Now we will give shape fill also to this. We will go in gradient fill, in direction, let us choose the first one. Okay, now we will change this color, now the yellow, so we will give yellow shade. I will give the first stop light yellow, second stop yellow, and let us give third stop brown. That is over here in the last in the orange chat. Okay, now we can more select this and change its color to white, and we have done here. So this is your final infographic, and you can just change its color. You can make it green and you can just change over your colors like I am showing you. Select this, go in shape outline, give green color. Again I will select this green color, and over here does not you have to not change anything, just select these stops and give the darkest color at the last, then lower darker here and lower darker here. So here you have to not change anything, just change the color. First one is lighter, then medium, and the darkest. Let us see now. Select this dark green, here light green, and keep this as it is, light yellow. So you can see there. So now we are ready with our infographic, and now I am going to show you how to increase the percentage. So first select this arc, then if now understand, if I want to make the percentage to 50, so I will just hold this and drag it to the downwards. Now this is 50, and I will change here number. So remember this point over here is 0%, from here 25%, 50%, 70%, and 100%. Let me show you with this arc. This is 50, if it come here 75, and here 100%. So accordingly you can keep. Now I am keeping here, so it is now 45%. So I will just change the number to 45 and this over. So you can do this. So suppose you have to increase this number or decrease, accordingly you can do with this and just change the number over here, and that's all. So I hope you will make this infographic, and thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. If you didn't understand something, please comment that below. I will solve your problem.